Hello, welcome to my channel, Bright Mathematical Solutions. And today we are looking at test 3A of our series, Steps to Quantitative Reasoning. And today we are looking at this particular exercise. Now, the first thing is to understand the operation for the example and then use it to solve the exercise given. Now, this is 10, this is 7, 51. 15, 12, 81. Now, the hidden operation behind this is a square. This is, don't mind the way they put this. It looks like a rectangle, but what they meant is a square. If you look at the example given, what we have are squares. I mean the exercise rather. So we have 10 raised to the power 2, which will give us 100. 7 raised to the power 2, which is 49. That is 7 squared equals 49. So 100 minus 49 gives us 51. So let us see whether the same thing applies to this. 15 raised to the power 2, that gives us 225. 12 raised to the power 2, that is 144. So if you subtract, this gives us 81. So the equation works for this exercise, this example. Now let us take it to the exercise. We have 200, we have 17. So 200 squared, that gives us 400, minus 17 raised to the power 2, and that gives us 289. If you subtract, you discover that it gives us 111. I want to believe that there is a typographical error here, so our correct answer is 111. For the next one, we are given unknown here. So this is 9. Remember, unknown, let us be x raised to the power 2. That is minus 9 raised to the power 2, which is 81, will give us 40. So if you take this to the other side, so that is x raised to the power 2 equals 40 plus 81, and that will give us 121. We find the square root of 121, that gives us 11. So our answer is A, 11. So the next one, we have 5 squared, that is 25, minus our unknown, let us say x squared, equals 9. So if we rearrange, that is x squared equals 25 minus 9, which gives us 16. If we find the square root of 16, that gives us 4. So our answer here is 4, which is E. The next one, we have 30 raised to the power 2. That gives us 900 straight, minus 225 raised to the power 2. That gives us 625. So if you subtract 900 from 625, it gives us 275, which is our answer. And the last one, we have 8 raised to the power 2, that's 64, minus, we have 7 raised to the power 2, that is 49. So 64 subtracts 64 minus 49, that gives us 15. So our answer is A, 15. So thank you very much. That is the solution. If you have any question, please feel free to put it in the comment section. I will definitely attend to it. Till I come your way next time, please subscribe to this channel and please be good.